What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are having a great day. So if you're wondering what the heck is behind me, I have two boxes from ACS Composite. One has a brand new front ZL1 splitter. The other one has ZL1 side rockers, aka side skirts. I'm really excited to do this today because I've been dying to put a lip, side skirts, and a spoiler on the car. So what's gonna happen is I'm gonna go up to Sean's shop. He's probably cleaning cars right now, so I'm gonna be installing the lip outside. After that, I'm gonna help him finish detail some cars, and then we're gonna start the side rockers. Like I said, these came from ACS Composite. Huge shout out to them because they did send them out to me. I'm extremely grateful. So right now I have to go to Ace Hardware and get a rivet gun. I do have one coming in the mail on Amazon, but that's not gonna come in for a few days. And since this came in early, I'm just gonna buy one at Ace and then I'll return the other one. It's not a big deal. I'm gonna do all that and then I will catch up with you guys when we get to Sean's shop. I got the box down because it did start like downpouring bad, so the ground is soaked. Planned on doing this outside so that way I didn't have to use a shop because he's in there detailing. I got the front lip and the side skirts out. So first, we're gonna do the front splitter just because it's easier. So all you need is a 7mm ratchet. There's a bunch of bolts underneath. I'm not doing a full installation video because there's tons of them online. I'm just gonna be showing you guys how the lip looks, giving you a review, just getting your opinion on it. Again, huge shout out to ACS. They were able to supply the front lip and the side rockers that are gonna be going on. Make sure you guys check them out. So as you guys can see, the lip is on. I actually lost one of the screws for this side, so if you push down pretty hard, it's a little bit loose. Everything else is really firm. I didn't do the divots yet. I think I'm gonna put one divot in this corner just to fix that spot where there's no screw. I don't really think I need divots to hold this in because like I said, it's really firm. Maybe I'll do like 1, 2, 3 just so it's a little bit more secure. But overall, install was pretty easy. Just kind of a pain if you aren't under a lift because it's hard to get the ratchet under there to get all your bolts and everything else. I don't know if you guys can see the bolts on the camera or not. But I mean, other than that, it wasn't too bad. Like I said earlier, I gotta put a divot over here because I don't know where the hell the one screw I had went. I do have a screw, but it's way too short, so I actually don't know where that came from. All the other screws were long. So if you guys know in the comments down below, feel free to give me a heads up and let me know what the hell happened because honestly, I have no clue. Does look a lot better. I do think I'm gonna get it painted gloss black just so it matches the grill. I have a buddy who can paint. See if he can do this without having to take it off. Worst case scenario, I'll unbolt everything and take it off. It's not too big of a deal. It'll just be easier to keep it on. Save him time, save myself time. This is a ZL1 front splitter. This is a ZL1 side rocker, aka side splitter or side skirt, whatever you want to call it. I have the car jacked up right now, so I'm just gonna kind of align it, see where the mounting points are, and then Sean's gonna pretty much drill the holes because I don't trust myself, and then we're gonna do all the rivets and things like that. The only issue that I think may occur is with the mud flap right here. That might need to come off. I'm not entirely sure yet because I had it aligned and it seemed like it would be fine, but just want to double check and make sure because there is holes down there. So Sean's on the phone right now. When he is off the phone, hopefully we're gonna bang this out, and yeah, I'm gonna keep you guys updated. So now you actually can see the car in the daylight. I ended up leaving Sean's shop last night and I planned on finishing the video, but it started downpouring and lightning. It was just a terrible, terrible storm. So there was no way for me to actually show you guys, and I would rather have you see the car in the light so you can actually see how everything came out. I did have to remove my little splash guards I had on here because the lip has to be flush and the splash guard kind of went down. Hopefully you guys enjoy the new splitter and the new side rockers. People who sent me out the side rockers and the front splitter is ACS Composite. I really suggest you guys check them out because their prices were a lot cheaper than any of the other companies I saw online. And it's really good quality. All the holes lined up with the OEM fitting. I didn't have to trim anything. It was just a lot easier than I thought it would be. So huge shout out to them again. If you guys want, their website's gonna be down below in the description. Also their Instagram if you wanna look at some of their products that way. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, let me know in the comments down below. Let me know if you like the new front splitter. Let me know if you like the side rockers. Also, let me know if you want me to add the spoiler, any other mods you think that would be cool for the Camaro. I might be doing the exhaust. So yeah, just let me know in the comments down below, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.